Coming to you from the Hyundai Virtual Next Weather Sphere, this is Next Weather.
And we are under a next weather alert tonight as our temperatures plummet from the 40s and 50s to teens and single digits in places like right here in Bethlehem. Bill has the lowdown for you tonight.
It's going to be down low when we're talking about those numbers. This morning it was pretty mild, right? And then tomorrow morning, boy, you're going to really feel it when you go out. Now, we had those rain showers earlier. We had the winds from the south out ahead of it. Tonight, for the most part, skies are clear as we go through the overnight hours. Maybe a few passing clouds, but those winds have changed. Boy, are they making a big difference. We're in the Italian market right now, and you can see the flag blowing around there. Winds are going to funnel through the buildings, and so it is going to be bitterly cold. We're going to be on weather alert for tonight, cold and blustery, feeling like the teens, and they're going to stay there all day tomorrow as well. And we'll keep that weather alert up for your day tomorrow. The wind advisory until 1 o'clock. It is cold and windy, and then to round out the year, it's cold again. Go figure. December, what a month it's been. Winds are light. It's a dry end to 2026. So let's get into the details over the next couple of days. Out the door tomorrow morning, it's a layer kind of morning. Widespread teens and single digits. And if you work outside, this is one of those days you're just going to have to layer all day long. The hand warmers, the foot warmers. I mean, look, maybe 20 degrees in the afternoon. That's about it. And then as we get into the late evening hours and get into your New Year's Day, we're kind of seeing the same thing. Winds will be calmer, but we're going to see temperatures just slightly warmer. 37 at 3 o'clock will ring in the new year. 33 degrees. It's generally trending dry around the area. The only thing we'll watch is maybe a light snow flurry early for the Mummers Parade cast. It is looking dry, just very cold. If you are going out, that layering will continue on that day if you want to stay comfortable. Here's a look at the blue real quick, and we go into your Thursday morning, your New Year's Day. It clears out. Like I said, just a stray snow flurry possible on Thursday morning. Otherwise, we remain dry. And the big story is the temperatures. We should be in the 40s. We're nowhere near as we roll through the entire 7-day forecast. We get into the first few days of January, maybe 36 for the highs. And every single day in the morning, we'll have lows that are not only below freezing, but considerably below freezing. That is a look at your weather forecast. We'll send it back over to you.
My man. Thank you, sir.